Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today we'll be seeing about Meesho. Meesho is actually an awesome app. I really love this app a lot. As you all guys know that I'll be giving only legit reviews, and this one is I have tried. I have also earned quite a bit from this app. So I'll be showing you all the features and how to use it and how convenient this app is actually. Because most of us will be thinking about starting a shop or a jewelry shop, a small fancy store, something like that, but we don't have those investments to start it. But this app makes it everything easy. You can select whatever product you want from these categories and just share it with your friends. Whenever they buy, you will be getting money. I'll be showing you the full how to use this app fully, so make sure you stay till the end. So I'm going to just select the suits one, suits category. So here, as you can see, there are a lot of different varieties under 6.99 or free mask, and there is embroidery, daily cotton. I am going to choose embroidery just for the video purpose. I'll be showing you how to actually share it and earn. So just go through all these product catalogs, select whichever you like a lot and share it with your friends. So before sharing it, make sure you look at the price of the all these suits and check whether it is available currently, because most of it will be like you'll be seeing from here, you can see, but when you get inside the product page, you will be seeing it is currently not available. So don't share it just from seeing from the outside. From here itself, don't share it. Just go through inside, go through those product description and make sure you know what you are sharing. So keep those things on mind, and I'll be choosing one suit from this one. I think this is okay. I'll be sharing this one. So this is unstitched material. I'll be sharing this in WhatsApp also. See, you can share this one in WhatsApp or you can just download it. Downloading is actually better because I'll be sharing it to my Instagram account also. If you share it from here itself to Instagram account, it will be they give you some templates and the images will be small in that, so I don't like that. I'll be downloading it and sharing it in Instagram. So I'll be showing you an example how to share it in WhatsApp. So before I show you all those steps, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from our channel. So now I just showed you how to share this in WhatsApp. The description will be automatically copied, so just paste it and send it. If they ask you or request you for rate, go and check it, and then just calculate in your mind itself, or they already have an option to calculate your margin. So calculate your margin and then tell them the final price. Don't tell them the product price which is already here. Don't tell them it is 511. You have to calculate your margin along with the product price. So I'll be showing you how to do those things and how to order those things. See, in the collections you will be able to see a lot of lot of collections along with menswear, women's wear, kids wear, all the home items, home decor. You have a lot of items, collections in this. Jewelries, kitchenware, everything is there. I have already done few I have already ordered few things and the quality was good. It depends upon the seller. You have lots of seller here, so it is really hard to identify. It's something like Amazon only, but the one biggest plus point in this is that you won't be getting any watermark, or you won't be getting any branding in the images that you are going to promote. So I think this is really nice because you are projecting yourself as the owner. That will be really nice to start up a brand, because nobody knows except you that you are sharing it from Meesho. So I really love that idea a lot. So I'll be showing you an idea. If the person likes the suit and you have to order it, make sure you check whether they like to get it in cash on delivery or online or through Paytm. It's really simple. Just click on that and click proceed. I really love the idea of even having an option of cash on delivery in this one. So it's really nice. So click cash on delivery, and here, yeah, so here you have to enter the margin, like how much amount you want to earn. Say I want to earn 240 rupees, so my product price is 511, so adding those things, I'm just rounding off to 750, where I'll be getting 239. So this is the 239 is what is my profit is. So 750, the buyer, that is say I have showed you from my mom, so my mom will be the buyer, so she has to pay me 750. So guys, that's all about the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and we'll so meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.